Are you still having your employees exhaust themselves manually passing cargo in and out of containers? Let me recommend a more efficient and convenient solution. If you're interested, watch this video to the end.
ERG truck loading and unloading conveyor are widely used in cross-border e-commerce warehouses for a large number of SKU goods. ERG can be linked to achieve loading and unloading purposes by dragging goods in different positions. The loading and unloading efficiency of a single operator can reach 900 to 1,200 pieces per hour. At the same time, you can use a remote control device to remote control the ERG to complete its auto work that can freely move forward, backward, and turn left and right. ERG can be achieved across warehouse walking at large angle climbing up and down the